one. This last sensor is for the mode box. The mode box bottom location limit. This sensor is for the mode box bottom location limit. You see, is this one? Yeah. So that means after this mode box drop down and after this iron approaching this limited sensor, the mode box will not go down. Will not go down anymore, right? Okay. This one also the black color, right? Black color.
Yes.
Same thing. 这个是模框下线 X3. The number is X3 for the mode box bottom location limit is X3 here.
X0123.
这几个红的跟红的哈。
And after you fixing the four sensors black color, this brown, each sensor wires
这个
will be fixed together. Remember this brown color, 棕色的哈 brown color 哪个？
这个
V 加是 V 减
微加
will be fixed V plus 有你加So the four pieces of the brown color wires will be fixed with the V plus location. V plus of location.
这个微加，
这个 V 减是吧？
这微加。
And all of these four pieces of the blue wires, the four, right? Blue color will be fixed. You see, will be fixed together.
你的说不管有多少根都接在这上面就行了。
Okay, this blue color, the wires will be fixed with the V decrease. Will be V decrease. You understand? V1.
One.
V. M.
M-O-I-N.
好了，
MOIA. Moi. Moi means V. Moi. Okay. Is French or English?
Because in my country we are speaking
Oh.
French. No more.
Now the workers, the sensor, this sensor, my work is fixed on, is for the material cut.